In a pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 500 grams of pointed gourd, peeled and cut into cubes. Add salt, saute them and cover them and fry until it's soft. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once it's warm, add the garam masala one by one and let it splutter. Add 100 grams of potato, add salt, saute them and cover them until they are soft. Add 1 tomato puree, mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix all the masala well. Now add sugar according to your preference. Now add the pointed gourd and mix again. Add a dash of water, mix well and cover it and let it cook slowly. Once the rawness of masala is gone, add 1 cup of warm water. Let it simmer. Add garam masala and ghee before turning off the flame. Mix well and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Niramish Potol Kosha is ready to serve.